What's up, guys? We're back to our channel. You know who this is, your boy Troy. And
Mala.
And today we have the kitty boys down. Hey, are you in the tree? No, where'd he go?
No.
Oh, there he is.
You're appearing.
Hey, babe.
Why
Anyway,
do you call
guys.
him babe when he's not your wife?
It doesn't matter. He's my bro. Hi. Hi, baby boy. Oh, you like the phone. He likes the phone. Anyway, guys. I'm going to make a part 2. And guys, did you see my intro? It was so cool. Yeah. But yeah, guys. Anyway, guys. This is just a test, but yeah. He knocked down the lotion, Marty. Mila. Why you knock down the lotion? Oh. You go see Brother Ice Bear? Hey. Why are you playing with Ho-Oh's beak? Oh yeah, that is Ho-Oh's beak. Hey, where are you going? No, don't go upstairs. Yeah. Oh, you go see the bathroom? Okay, anyway, guys. We are going... Grab my food, son. Anyway, guys, we are soon going to be moving to a new house. If we actually get to our grandpa spirit has to come with us, and our ancestor spirit are gonna come with us. Anyway, guys, part 2 is coming soon. Anyway, guys, see ya.